Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how. It's a very simple antenna. Make use of old things in a smart way. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click my subscribe button. It's amazing when I see your support. Same with the other side. After doing the first one, let's take a copper thread and wrap it in the nail. You should wrap it like in the video. And the head is like a spring. Next, take a piece of wire. Peel off the outside boundary wires. Take the copper core inside. Prepare a wooden plate to make the base for the antenna. Fix the L-shaped rack into the wood plate. Fixed firmly with nails. Same with the rest. Next, connecting the copper core to the metal part of the rack. L-shaped support. You guys, please fasten the copper wire. You'll do the same with the rope. Connect the antenna to TIVI. It's also using the copper core inside that wire. Wrap the copper core of the two wires together and use Insulating adhesive tape wrap back copper core part. After it's finished, let's start the experiment. This is my TV before I put that antenna in. It has no waves. And now, we're going to connect this antenna to the television. The signal has improved significantly. You find this incredible, don't you? Let's explore other channels. It's a very simple trick, but it's very useful, and anyone can do it. Do you want to try it now? Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.